Fly me to the moon and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on Jupiter and Mars.
Hi guys, it is almost Valentine's Day, and for some people hearing that may just want to bang their head against the wall. Others of you may be really excited, you might love Valentine's Day. I personally think there's a lot more to Valentine's Day than couples' relationship. It's basically just a holiday to celebrate love, right? So for anyone that's single or just really hates Valentine's Day, I think Valentine's Day is a fun, personally I think Valentine's Day is for the girls, you know, the pink, not actually, that's kind of a bit gender stereotypical. It's for people who love pink, who love hair bows, who love red, who love hearts and everything pretty and aesthetic and girly. Why not just see it as that? If you're really hating Valentine's Day and you're really sour at the fact that you've recently gone through a breakup, or I don't know what it is, I don't know what your situation is, but let's all just promise ourselves we're gonna view Valentine's Day as a positive holiday. I'm actually sat on my floor right now because these are the film locations that we have to deal with at uni. For today's video I thought it would be just a bit of fun, get in the Valentine's Day spirit and do eating heart-shaped foods for 24 hours. I'm not sure it's really said a thing, but I just wanted to get involved. I wanted to be a part of it. So if this is the only eating heart-shaped food for 24 hours that comes up in your subscription box, then I'll make sure it's a good one. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please give it a like. And subscribe. Please subscribe. Thank you. I am starving, so let's go make some breakfast. Okay, breakfast time. I need to talk quietly. Look at my breakfast. Heart-shaped crumpets. It doesn't get much better than this. I actually bought these like 4 days ago and I've been desperate wanting to try them, but I have held off for this video. I love crumpets anyway, I feel like they are an elite breakfast, but the fact that they're in the shape of a heart. I got these from Aldi, but I have also seen that M&S are doing them, I think. So get yourself to the shops, it's not too late, and you can have a cute little Valentine's breakfast, maybe a cute little Valentine's date with your heart crumpets. Oh, so cute. Also, I saw that M&S are doing mini heart-shaped pancakes. And I really want them. I haven't had a chance to go to M&S, so I haven't got them. Imagine just them with like Nutella, strawberries. Supermarkets are, they've pulled their weight this Valentine's. I'll give them that. Oh my god, that's so cute.
Keep me safe and never let this fade away. I'm hiding out so they don't see this part of me. Girls like me don't cry. Girls like me pretend we don't cry.
I mean, it is just a crumpet with butter, isn't it? But I'm sure it's going to taste even better. It's in the shape of a heart. Crumpets never tasted so good. I just realised for those people who have a phobia of holes, what is that phobia called? If you know what I'm on about, for those of you who have a phobia of holes, then maybe you wouldn't have appreciated that montage. And I'm sorry. Oh my god, this weather. It's disgusting. When is the UK going to see the sun again? I'm sick of it. This rain, can you hear it? It's so loud. Anyway, just before I go into the gym, because I ordered these on Tesco's online, and for some reason I thought they were yogurts, like heart-shaped yogurts, and I don't know why I thought that, because they're really not heart-shaped yogurts. They are strawberry fruit hearts, fruit gums. I don't really know. Let's take a little look, shall we? Wow. Let's get one out and show you. They are so small. How cute. They're lovely. They've really taken me by surprise. I'm gonna sit and enjoy my pre-workout for the day. Yeah, not sure this is gonna give me a bundle of energy, but it's heart-shaped food. Do you know, there's something about eating heart-shaped food that's really satisfying. Look at what I found in Aldi. It's a chocolate chip heart-shaped brioche. This video is so fun. I mean, I'm definitely gonna have to share this because I can't eat that whole thing on my own. I mean, I probably could if I wanted to, but that is adorable. Ready? Oh my god, that's really good. No, that is insane. It's dark outside already. Eating quite a late lunch, but that's because I've just been snacking on all the unhealthy brioche heart-shaped goodies that I got. This is a beige meal if I ever did see one. Can you see that? You can't see that. There you go. I'm not usually a beige girl, but girl dinner. Oh my god. The potatoes, they actually taste like smiley faces. This is such an unnutritious dinner. I mean, I'm thoroughly enjoying this, but I feel like I've not really had any nutritious food today. But it's fine. I should have got some strawberries, shouldn't I? And cut them into the shape of a heart. The potato hearts are my fave. Right, guys, Lidl have pulled through again for dinner. And I got myself a heart-shaped stone-baked pizza. This is just taking girl dinner to the next level, to be honest. I'm so excited to have this. It is just a plain tomato mozzarella cheese pizza, but can you hear the washing machine? But it's in the shape of a heart. Honestly, isn't it crazy how easy it is to please a girl? I can never ever get Margherita pizza, but here we are. Ooh. Even the packaging. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna put this in the oven. Oh my god, also look what I picked up for dessert. I don't think you're ready. Ice cream hearts. I'm a little bit worried though because they were left in my car for maybe a little bit too long. So I think they're gonna be melted, which could be interesting, but anyway, I'll try them later. I'm so excited. What are the flavours? Strawberry and vanilla flavour with white and chocolate flavoured glaze. So cute. One thing I hate about this kitchen, actually there's many things I hate about the kitchen, but the lighting, it's not the one. Look at that beige pizza. No, this looks so dead. Really? Gotta do it. Got to do it for the video, but hey guys, it's later in the evening and I just fancied a little snack. So this lighting's not really doing it for me. I'm very orange because it is the salt lamp lighting, but it's okay. Right, here we go. I never eat sweets, I don't know why. Oh wow. The smell when you open that bag. Oh my god, they're so cute. Hang on. They are so cute. They literally smell like blackcurrant squash. They're so good. Get yourself some berry hearts. I feel like, are these an all year round thing? I feel like they are. Oh, they're new. I always wonder though, when stuff in the shops had new label on, like how long do they have that label on them for? Do you know what I mean? Or do they have it on for 2 years? Anyway. Food for thought. See what I did there? It is really hot in this room. Anyway, I got these marshmallow hearts. I thought they'd be cute to go on like a hot chocolate or something, but I'm not actually a big fan of marshmallow, so I will give them to Aiden for Valentine's because he likes marshmallows, and that's just a nice thing to do, isn't it? Guys, I have to show you these. It is my final snack of the day. It is the ice cream hearts, but I just brought them upstairs because I thought they were going to be individually wrapped, but I didn't expect them to look like this. There's literally so many. There's little, I can't even get it open. They're little ice cream bites. How cute are they? This one's strawberry ice cream, and I'm not really the biggest fan of strawberry ice cream, if I'm being completely honest. Let's go for a vanilla one. Oh, it's just honestly just adorable. You see that? Oh, it's melting. Oh! Classy. That's really good, but also really rich. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. It was slightly different to my usual videos. I mean, I love doing these types of videos, so if there's anything else you want to see like this, let me know. Thank you if you watched to the end, and yeah, I love you all so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Oh my god, that's bright. Okay, goodbye. Why am I blue? That's what I want to know. Why am I blue? Whoa. Okay, bye.